Hey, this is the animal quiz time. Now, let's go on. Question number 1. Name the animal who can't jump. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes. Answer is elephant. Question number 2. Where in Germany did hamburgers originate? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes. Answer is Hamburg. Question number 3. How many legs do a spider usually have? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes. Answer is 8. Question number 4. Which animal can sleep for 3 years? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes. Answer is snail. Question number 5. Which animal has the most brains? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes. Answer is octopus. Thank you. Please subscribe for more videos.